Hey guys, welcome to Safari Poultry Farm. Yeah, I'm going to share with you how we feed our birds. Actually, these birds we always feed them twice a day, in the morning and then in the afternoon. Actually, we feed them very early in the morning at 4 a.m. and 12 noon. Yeah, this bird consume 150 kilogram per day, and this is it's lunchtime. You can see them enjoying the meal. Yeah, enjoying everything. You can see them around playing and enjoying everything. Just yeah, then water must be there 24/7. Water is there available, and this is what I enjoy. Like, water is there, and this is what I enjoy: the sounds, everything. Yeah. So guys, please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos about poultry farm. Thank you.